Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Hope you are all fine. Your post-mid exam already over, and after the post-mid we have started one chapter, that is smart chart. This chapter is mainly consists of tabulation of data, arrangement of data. So number 1, come to the first. Today we are going to discuss tally marks. Using tally marks, we can easily count a number. So come to the first problem. Arrange the ungrouped data into group data. You can see here I have taken some datas randomly, means there are no arrangement. 4 5 3 5 4 5 2 3 5 5 4 4 4 3 5. So you can see there are no arrangement. So first here instruction is there, arrange the ungrouped data into group data. So we have to arrange them in group data. That is, we have to arrange either in ascending order or in descending order. So you can say here 2 is single times, so 2, then 3 times, 3, 4 are 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5 4. Next 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So I have written 6 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now you can see after arrangement what happened. All datas are arranged in ascending order. First 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So in this way we can arrange the ungrouped data into group data. Now come to the second problem. Tabulate the ungrouped data into frequency distribution table and write tally marks. Here I have taken some ungrouped data. 30, 25, 27, 30, 30, 25, 25, 29, 25, 25, 30, 25, 25, 30, 25, 25, 27, 27, 25, 30. So first of all and here I have taken one frequency distribution table. There are 3 columns. First column is data, next frequency, next tally. What is frequency? So you will understand after the discussion. Now here you can see how many individual numbers are there. 25, 27, 30, 29. These are the individual numbers. No other numbers are there in the set. So 25, 27, 29, 30. Now 25, how many times are there? You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times are 25 repeats. So number of repetition of 25 is 10. So its frequency is 10. So what is frequency? Frequency is the number of repetition of data. So to a frequency of 25 is 10. Similarly, frequency of 27 is 3. 3 27s are there. Frequency of 29 is 1. Next frequency of 30 is 6. Now tally marks. So 10, how can we represent 10? Here tally marks means this type of diagram. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and cross, that is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 cross, that is 5. So 5, 5, 10. Next, frequency of 27 is 3. How can we represent? 1, 2, 3. Frequency of 29 is 1, 1. Frequency of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way, you can represent that, you can draw the tally mark. Tally mark is very useful to count the data in a set of datas. So first column data, second column frequency, third column tally mark. In this way, you can arrange the data in frequency distribution table. Now, here are some homework. Number 1, arrange the ungrouped set of data into group data. 15, 10, 2, 15, 7, 8, 7, 15, 10, 10, 15, 14, 14, 15, 15. Number 2, tabulate the set of data into frequency distribution table. Here set of data are given. You have to arrange them in frequency distribution table. Number 3, marks in a math exam of 15 students are as follows. Here, maths in a math exam in a 15 students are given. Write the data in frequency distribution table. You have to write them in frequency distribution table. Number 4, heights of 20 students in centimeter are as follows. 170, 172, 173, like that. Here 20 datas are there. So arrange the set of data into group data and tabulate them in frequency distribution table. So first of all, you have to arrange the data in group data, then put the data in frequency distribution table.